Hello and welcome to Nikolay's by Statistics lessons, and today's question is determine the interquartile range for the following set of data. Our first step would be to rearrange this set of numbers which are given in the random order in ascending order. So the smallest number here, as you see, is 0. So let's put it first, 0. Next is 5. So it's going to be 5. Then next is going to be 5 again. So put 5 here. Then next smallest is going to be 10. So 10 goes here. And then 15. So 15. Another 15 here. Then go 20. And yet another 20 here. Then go 25, 25 again, and the last one is 30. Now let's count how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So median is going to be number which is going to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6th position. So this is going to be quartile 2. And now we have to find quartile 1. So we have to find it here. Again, we are looking for median. We have 5 numbers here. So median is going to be this number 5 here. And this is going to be quartile 1. And now on this shoulder, again, we have to find median of these numbers. 5 numbers here. So quartile 3 is going to be this 25 here. This is going to be quartile 3. We also can include them in a box. And this is where 50% of all our data is going to be. 50% are going to be within this box. Another 25% is going to be here. And another 25% is going to be here. We have got what we call box and whisker plot, box and whisker. So now we have to determine interquartile range. So it is from 5 to 25. And the range is going to be pretty easy to find. 25 minus 5 is going to be 20. Answer A. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.